What if I told you that right now Ethereum is surging past $2,500 while OpenAI is publicly fighting with Robinhood over tokenized shares? Meanwhile, the first ever Solana staking ETF just launched with an insane 7.3% yield, and Memecoins are absolutely exploding. This is the crypto market in July 2025, where private companies are rejecting tokenization while Memecoins are outperforming your retirement accounts. Hey everyone, Alex from Moonward Capital here with your twice daily crypto pulse. If you're new to the channel, we deliver the most actionable crypto insights in under 6 minutes, helping you navigate the markets with confidence. Today's update is absolutely packed with market-moving developments, so let's dive straight into what's happening right now. Let's start with a quick market snapshot. Bitcoin is trading at $109,791, up 1.30% in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is the real story today, surging 5.0% to $2,596, finally breaking that critical $2,500 resistance level we've been watching. Solana is up 1.41% to 152.40, while XRP is showing strength at 2.28, up 3.79%. The overall crypto market cap stands at $3.29 trillion with 24-hour volume of $152 billion. Looking at sector performance, NFTs are leading the charge with a 7.46% gain, followed by DeFi at 3.08%, Memecoins at 2.74%, index tokens at 2.44%. But the real standout? Crypto stocks up an impressive 17.37% in the last 24 hours. Now to our biggest story of the day, OpenAI has publicly disavowed Robinhood's tokenized equity offerings. In a statement that sent shockwaves through the tokenization market, OpenAI declared, "These tokens are not OpenAI equity," and noted that any equity transfer requires their explicit approval, which they never gave. This is a major development for the entire tokenized securities market. Robinhood recently launched these tokenized securities on Arbitrum for European users, allowing exposure to private companies like OpenAI and SpaceX. But now, with issuers pushing back, the legal boundaries of tokenization without consent are being tested in real time. The markets are clearly processing this news, with investors questioning the legitimacy of tokenized private equity offerings. This could set a precedent for how private companies interact with crypto markets going forward. In more positive news, the first ever Solana staking ETF is showing remarkable strength in its debut. The Rex Osprey Solana staking ETF, trading under ticker SSK, recorded $33 million in first-day volume yesterday, placing it in the top 1% of all ETF launches. What makes this truly groundbreaking is that it offers a 7.3% staking yield distributed as monthly dividends. The first time traditional investors can access blockchain yields through a regulated ETF. This represents a significant milestone in bringing crypto yields to mainstream investors. The strong debut suggests institutional appetite for yield-generating crypto exposure remains robust despite market uncertainties. Now let's look at today's biggest movers. Solana-based meme coins are absolutely exploding, with MOODENG up an incredible 28.9% following its Upbit Korea listing. BONK isn't far behind, surging 19.8% as the entire Memecoin sector shows signs of a potential revival. The NFT sector's 7.46% gain suggests we may be seeing a rotation from institutional narratives back to crypto-native assets in the wake of the OpenAI tokenization controversy. Sentiment indicators show the Fear and Greed Index at 62.88, firmly in greed territory, while social media activity around crypto stocks, Tokenized, and BONK is trending heavily. Looking at the charts, Ethereum's decisive break above the $2,500 resistance is significant. We're seeing a clear breakout from a multi-month symmetrical triangle with strong volume confirmation. The RSI is rising to 62, showing momentum without extreme overbought conditions. Key resistance levels to watch are $2,600 and $2,945. If ETH can clear these hurdles, we could see acceleration toward the $3,000 psychological level. For Solana, we're seeing a bullish engulfing candle after yesterday's ETF launch with 2.8x average daily volume. The key level to watch is $158.34, which was the previous high from the ETF announcement spike. Here's what you need to monitor in the next 24 hours. First, today is the final day of ETHCC in Cannes, with Vitalik Buterin's keynote speech at 14:00 UTC. His comments on Ethereum's roadmap could significantly impact the entire L2 ecosystem. Second, watch Day 2 trading of the RX Osprey Solana staking ETF. Sustained strong volume would confirm institutional interest in yield-bearing crypto products. Third, keep an eye on any additional statements from OpenAI, Robinhood, or regulators regarding the tokenized equity controversy. This situation is developing rapidly and could have far-reaching implications for the entire RWA sector. That wraps up today's Crypto Pulse. Is OpenAI's rejection of tokenized equity a temporary setback or a fundamental challenge to the entire RWA narrative? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this update valuable, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to catch our next market update in just 12 hours. This is Alex from Moonward Capital, helping you stay ahead of the crowd. See you in the next one.